Swami Vidyanand says in Panchdashi 7193, Patijaya dikam sarvam tattad bhogai nechati kintu atma bhogartham iti sutta buddh ghochitam bahu. Many Suti texts declare that a husband loves his wife not for her sake, and the wife loves him not for his sake, but for their own sake. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 2.4.5 says, No vare patyu kamai pati priyo bhavati, atmanastu kamai pati priyo bhavati, no vare jayai kamai jaya priya bhavati, atmanastu kamai jaya priya bhavati, no vare putranam kamai putra priya bhavanti, atmanastu kamai putra priya bhavanti, आत्मा व अरे द्रष्टव्य श्रोतव्य मंतव्य निध्यास्तव्य मैत्रेयी आत्मनो व अरे दर्शनेन श्रवणेन मत्या विज्ञानेन इदम सर्वम विदितम. It is not for the sake of husband, my dear, that he is loved, but for one's own sake that he is loved. It is not for the sake of wife, my dear, that she is loved, but for one's own sake that she is loved. It is not for the sake of sons, my dear, that they are loved, but for one's own sake that they are loved. The self, my dear Maitreyi, should be realized, should be heard of, reflected on, and meditated upon. By realization of the self, my dear, through hearing, reflection, and meditation, all this is none. Verse 194 says, Kim kuthat chidabhasa, athva kim va abhyatmaka, bhokta tat na kuthastha, asangatvad bhoktritam bhajet. Each enjoyer unchanging consciousness, reflected consciousness, or a union of both. Unchanging consciousness cannot be the enjoyer since it is uninvolved. Verse 7, 195-196 says, Sukha dukhavi manakyo vikaro bhog uchite kuthasthasya vikari chet etanna vyahitam katham. Enjoyment requires changes due to identification with pleasure and pain. If unchanging consciousness undergoes change, how is this not a contradiction? Vikari buddhi adhinatvad abhave vikritavapi Niradhisthar vibhranti kevla no hi tisthati. Even though reflected consciousness undergoes changes, because of the changing intellect, it does not exist alone, independently of consciousness, and therefore it is not the enjoyer. Verse 7, 197, 198, 199 says, Ubhyatmak evato loke bhokta nigadite tadrik atmanam arabhya kuthastha sesita suto. People say that both unchanging consciousness with reflected consciousness are the enjoyer, but scriptures begin with both and conclude that unchanging consciousness alone remains. Atma katham ityukte yagivalk vibodhiyan vigyanmayam arabhyas asangatam pariseshyat. When King Janak asked Yagivalk about the nature of self, the sage first told him of the seat of intellect and then pointed out its inadequacy to be the self, taught him of the immutable kuthastha. को अयम आत्मा इति एवं आदौ सर्वत्राणं विचारतः उभयात्मकम् आरभ्य कूटस्थ शेषते सुतो. In fact, Taittiriya and other Suti texts concerned with the consideration of self began with an inquiry into the nature of enjoyer and end in a description of the immutable kuthastha. Taittiriya Upanishad 3.1.1 says, Yen va pasyati, yen va sunoti, yen va gandhan jigrati, yen va vasam vyakroti, yen va sadhucho asadhucho bijaniti. It is that by which one sees, and by which one hears, also by which one smells odor, and by which one utters a speech, and by which one tastes the sweet and the sour. Verse 200 says, Kuthastha satyatam swasmin adhyasya atma avivekta tatrikim bhoktritam matva no kadachit jihasati. Superimposing the reality of Kuthastha on Chidabhas due to non-discrimination, one considers enjoyership to be real and never wants to lose it.